We're here at the Best Buy Smart Home, presented by Google Home. We've got lots of awesome smart home tech here that integrates with Google Home. So we're going to show you how some of this works. We're here in the Google Mini Homes, testing out the Google Home and Google Home Mini. I'm here with Brandon from Google. He's going to show us an easy way to use the Google Home and Google Home Mini.
All right, so we're going to give it just a basic command to control the light. So all you have to say is, "Hey Google, turn the cactus light off."
Okay, turning off the cactus light.
It's that easy. Awesome. Thanks, Brandon.
You're welcome.
We're going to show you how the Hunter Douglas smart blinds work with your Google Home.
Hey Google, activate shades open.
Sure, activating the laundry shades open in laundry room.
That's awesome.
Simple as that. I would like to explain how the Hunter Douglas PowerView shades work with our PowerView app. It's a free download on the Apple Store, so you go to Hunter Douglas PowerView app, and once you click onto the PowerView app, then you can program your shades to operate however you would like them to. So you can create room settings, you can also create scenes. So I just clicked on the scene setting, and in the laundry room that we have here, we've set up 3 scenes to show the shades going up, the shades going down, and the shades opening. So it is in the up position now. So once we program the shades to the open position, the shades will operate, come all the way down, and then open up. Here goes.